ahead, I can get it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh. Come on in. Third place, Justin Belcher. Second place, Mark Blair. First place, John Fry. Super Sportsman. Third place, Chris Hopkins. Second place, Jeremy Mullins. First place, Eddie.
Lord, Eddie. Lord,
Lord. Eddie Lord.
thank you.
He loves to yell.
I can do that?
Yeah.
I'm supposed to say something nice about this one, but I'm not sure if I can. Well, yeah, I can always. Too tall, you, Marty?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. Hey, Jeremy, come here a minute. Apparently all the racers like it. You are the Sportsman of the Year.
Woohoo!
Well, if you paid on him, I'm on my cup. Yeah, man. Sure. Oh, second. Okay, this one is for Tyler.
Aww.
Our second place kitty stock horse champion. You gotta hold it up.
Get used to it.
Like up, just don't smile. Okay.
Look at that. Me again.
Oh, I need to get a big trophy.
You are the kitty stock points champion of the year. Okay, our JP second place. He ain't here today. Goes to Squirrel. Sorry, he beat you out by 20 points. And our first place goes to Alicia.
Woohoo!
One of the twins. Okay. Our second place for Super Stock goes to Joey Nahas, which is not here today. And our first place is Ron Thomas. There you go, man. It runs. Okay. Second place in Mini Sportsman goes to Bobby Gumblejack. He's not here today. And first place, where's my wig? Oh, see, I should throw off the hat.
Hey, that's my witch.
Stacy Crowd. You gonna hug them both?
Yeah, hug them both like Meg.
Okay.
It's like your babies.
Oh, what? No. Really? Second place sportsman. Josh.
He went from Dustin to Mason, huh?
And first place is Melissa. Second place for Mod X, Jeremy. Got second, dude. And our first place points champion, Mark Laird. Thanks for the ride, man. I had fun.
Super sportsman, second place, points champion, John here. Sharp us.
Again.
Sharp us. Aaron.
Your hearing thing, Stace. Your hearing's not back yet. And your first place super sportsman, Jeremy. You came over with a lot of hardware. Thank you.
Oh, for those of you who got plaques, if you want your name on your plaque, give them back, and then I can do a little engraving plate for one.
Well, that's about it. Year's over. This is our finals. I was talking to Phil. This might turn into a yearly thing.
Bigger shot.
Bigger. Yeah.
You can give up some good areas, sorry. That way. And nobody went in the ditch today, that was a good thing.
So everybody go home and rebuild for next year. Yeah, ain't you got a motor to put on something? All right, thanks guys. I hope you all had fun.
Thank you.